Hi, and then I'm gonna do the thing.
Okay.
Okay. So hi, this is Suzanoslin. I'm here at the AR house for the Niantic Build-A-Thon, and today what I built was a distance calculator so that if you're blindfolded or can't see, you can know if you're close to objects. And so here goes the demo. So as I get close to objects, it's going to let me know. And the pitch changes as I get closer. So the next steps would be to surface the parameter of the distance on the interface, and also to use ground segmentation to have it ignore the ground. So there is my blind nav app. Oh, we're getting close. Back up.